Did you know that today is National Blueberry Pie Day? And to celebrate it, we're making a blueberry pie that's very unique, quite tasty, and super easy. The only thing is, some people gave it a quirky nickname, and I'm curious to see if you agree with them. We start off by combining some blueberries, a bit of biscuit baking mix, granulated sugar, a couple of eggs, softened butter, a can of evaporated milk, and a splash of vanilla in a blender. We blend this until it's smooth, which takes just seconds. Now we pour this into a bowl and add even more whole fresh blueberries. See, I told you this wasn't going to be your typical blueberry pie. Okay, this goes into a pie plate and gets baked for about an hour. Once it cools, we can top it with some whipped cream and a few extra berries, and it's time to dig in. And about that quirky nickname, although it's one of the most flavorful blueberry pies you'll ever eat, it has a funny color. So when people called it ugly, we weren't insulted, but rather we thought it was funny. So we named it Berry Ugly Pie. And like always, you can find it on our website. What do you think?
That's ugly.
Try it.
Fine.
I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a very unusual way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. See, I told you it was good.
Not bad.
Don't judge a pie by its cover.